So update on the car, we've had a new alternator fixed. It's Monday, just gone afternoon, and the new plan is instead of going down Croatia's coast, we are now going straight to Bosnia, to a little town with some waterfalls and a lake for a couple of nights, then going to Sarajevo, then down to Mostar, and then down to the Croatian coast after that. It's going to be about a 6-hour drive now. Bit of a boring day, just making up time. But we've got the car fixed, a little bit of money, but new alternator, all done. So that's brilliant news. Here it is. Here it is. So we've just got into Croatia. Everyone's been here before apart from Margaret. So we're near the Bosnian border in about maybe 5 minutes. So we're just coming up to the border now. Yeah, we're going to need passport. We're going out of the EU now. So I better turn it off now because we're coming up to the border. Havana. Country number 11. Havala. Okay, now we're in Bosnia. Country number 11 or 67.
Right. Beautiful church. It's beautiful.
So we've just been driving through Bosnia and it's been absolutely beautiful. I've got a lot of it on my GoPro, so hopefully some of that footage comes out, but we've just quickly stopped at this place where it looks down onto the town of, I think it's Jajce. As you can see, the castle is right at the top of the town. I'm just shocked how beautiful Bosnia is, and it's not even a nice day. This in the sun would be amazing. So we've just arrived at our hotel in Bosnia, in Jajce.
This is our house and this is your apartment. I will show you everything.
Thank you. Looks beautiful. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I will show you.
Oh wow.
In Bosnia we always take the shoes off. That's like a part of our tradition.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Okay. Living room, kitchen.
Oh wow. It's a big stove. Yeah. Okay, brilliant, thank you.
When it's winter, we
yeah. Oh wow. Of course. Look at this.
Wow. Beautiful. What lake is this called?
Pliva Lake.
Pliva.
Pliva, yes.
Lake.
The river is Pliva, and she make the lake. This is natural lake.
So natural.
Yes.
Here's our car, which is now fixed. New alternator, and new bearing. €330. This is Bosnia, which not a lot of people go to, but it's absolutely beautiful. This was £140 for the 2 nights, so per night, that's £70 per couple. That's, you know, like, yeah. So this was £140. So this was £140 for the 2 nights. So you could break that down to £70 a night. For each couple, that's £35 per night. Per person, that's £17 per person per night. So it's, yeah,